absolutely psyched. He landed it last night. Less than 24 hours ago, he landed a 1440. Can he do it for the first time in a slopestyle run?
These are these high-pressure moments where Nicholi Rogatkin absolutely thrives. He's dropping in. All the speed he can muster out of that row in the 1440, and he lands it! Whoa!
What?
Oh, that was even smoother than last night.
What?
Oh,
wow.
The first time in mountain bike competition at the end of an absolutely banger run, Nicholi Rogatkin drops the first ever front cork 1440.
Forget about freestyle mountain biking. Take a look at action sports as a whole. Whether you're talking about Tony Hawk's 900, Travis Pastrana's double backflip, you can now add Nicholi Rogatkin's 1440 to that list.
So high above the current established level of competition. Most riders max out at 720. Nicholi Rogatkin adding 720, doubling the norm for a 1440. And nothing to pick apart on that landing.
It's one thing getting a few goes at something, but to be able to lay a trick of this magnitude down in one go in front of this many people with so much at stake, that is where legends are made.
So hard for him, but also hard for the judges. You know they must have run through this scenario in case Nicholi had a perfect run and then landed the 1440. A lot of pressure on their backs now.
Nicholi Rogatkin waits for these scores to come in. Overall impression is massive. 19.63, first place for Rogatkin.
Get ready for a battle royale.
Oh! Emil Johansson's fairy tale ending to 2017 has just